We're gonna give it a try again. What I did is I rearranged my figures, and I'm gonna try to stop it when I believe I need to add the applique. I don't know why it's not stopping it. I tried to remake it, and it seems like it's doing the same, so let's gonna try it again, okay? So let's cut it really quick. Okay, so if you are doing this and you planning to use it, you need to put your hidden bond. I'm not doing it because I'm just trying to figure it out until I get the right thing that I want. So we are going to be prepared to stop our sewing machine if it doesn't stop after the first or the second stitch, okay? So let's go. So right there we're gonna stop because I don't think it's going to stop. And we are just going to set a piece of white fabric. I'm gonna cut my thread. We're gonna let it go in a circle again, and we're gonna stop it again. Sounds really complicated, but we'll see. Stop it right there. And we are going to cut the fabric. And for these, since they're really little pieces, we need to get as close as we can. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. We need to cut closer though. So we need to get ready to stop our machine again. Right there. So we need to put our fabric again. and we need to stop it again, okay? Right there, we're gonna stop it. The other thing, like, since they're really small, you need to really do a good job cutting this, because as you can see, this is really bad. So I'm gonna try to do better for this one. I'm not too worried because this is a test, but like I said, we need to do that better. Let me show you what I just find out. I'm assuming you all know that I do custom jewelry. So I have my flash cutters. And with my flash cutters, I can get really close. So that's a really good tip. I just thought about that. So look at how close I can get. So maybe you should get one of this. And I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you can get them, okay? So let me finish. Look at how close I did it with my flash cutters. So that's a really good thing that I just find out. Use your flash cutters with this. Just be really careful that you don't cut the stitches. And let's keep going. Okay, so we're ready for the next step, and right now what it's going to do is going to do the eyebrows, so, and the nose. Okay, for the next part, I think we're gonna have to stop the sewing machine again, so let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna stop it right there. And we are going to put a piece of fabric, like black fabric. And we're gonna stop it again. Okay, we stop it again. And we're gonna cut the excess. And I'm gonna use my flash cutters again to get closer to the edge. So I think this is good enough. Get ready to stop your machine again. Okay, we stop it again. Okay, let's keep going. And we almost done. I really like this one. It's a lot of work, I understand, and I still need to figure out why it doesn't stop if they're all appliques. If you don't want to go to all the trauma or have to be paying attention and stop your sewing machine, this is a really good alternative. So I really encourage you to try this one because it looks just a lot better because the eyes are more realistic. I mean, I didn't put a lot of effort because it's a sample, but if you can see the difference between using the scissors and the flash cutters, it's just a lot cleaner and I could do a lot better. So far, I'm happy. All this was made with Embrilliance Essential, and with Embrilliance Essential we are really limited. I'm proud of myself with this design because it's all made with figures and I think it looks really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have questions, please let me know. If you know why it's not working like applique for these areas, let me know. I made other designs and they were really little and it still did work like applique. So I don't know, I must do something to mess it up. But that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and please leave a lot of comments. Thank you.